Governor Maura Healey addressing the Steward Health Care financial crisis. That company filing for bankruptcy very early this morning. NBC 10's Alicia Palumbo live in Boston this morning with what patients need to know. Alicia, hundreds, thousands impacted by this.
That's absolutely right, Melody. And Governor Healey started by emphasizing that Steward hospitals throughout the state remain open and patients should not hesitate to seek care there. She also stressed that this bankruptcy filing by Steward does not come as a shock. That's why her administration activated the emergency operations plan last week. That plan includes a command center where DPH will continue to keep monitors inside all 8 Steward locations in the state. The goal right now as the bankruptcy process begins is sending a representative to Texas to represent our interests in the bankruptcy proceedings there while locally prioritizing patient safety, jobs, and access to care. Chief among that is supporting nurses, doctors, and other staff who remain at these hospitals despite the crisis they're going through in an effort to keep them operating. Governor Healey said this situation happened because of greed and mismanagement by a failed management team at Steward. She said this bankruptcy process should actually increase transparency and Steward will, quote, no longer be able to lie.
Ultimately, this is a step toward our goal of getting Steward out of Massachusetts. And it allows us to do that, to protect access to care, preserve jobs, and stabilize our healthcare system.
The potential loss of any of these facilities would have devastating consequences for hundreds of thousands of residents from the South Shore to southern New Hampshire. We need only to look at what has happened in southeastern Massachusetts with the loss of Norwood Hospital and then Brockton Hospital, where the influx of patients has stressed the region's already overburdened emergency departments to see what lies in store if we were to lose any other facilities.
In a statement, Steward CEO said under the bankruptcy process, Steward will be better positioned to responsibly transition ownership of its Massachusetts-based hospitals, keep all of its hospitals open to treat patients, and ensure the continued care and service of our patients and our communities. Now, the state has actually established a website and call center that will be available to people with any questions on what this means if they go to Steward hospitals. You can find a link to those on our NBC 10 Boston app. For now, we're live at the State House. Alicia Palumbo, NBC 10 Boston.